Blessings to all y'all. Blessings to all y'all. But stay tuned. Thank y'all for subscribing and liking. But you watching a real movie. You watching a real movie. And I'm talking about you should see these haters. They hiding, y'all. They doing all kind of shiesty stuff. I'm the black sheep, star child, chosen one. I love everybody. I'm out here feeding homeless people. And people talking about that. Y'all just stay tuned and listen to this. Cause these people, they gonna be some caged birds. And you know they gonna sing on each other. Cause nobody wanna take the fall. But they stealing. They stealing, and this is what they deserve.
The moon. This could be a secret. This is secret. This is a secret. You may not know this yet. Pisces, Cancer. Somebody's hiding, facing jail time.
Wow, man.
King of Pentacles, Virgo, Taurus, Capricorn could be somebody's under investigation. Somebody's secretly under investigation. Death reversed. Wow, somebody was trying to kill somebody.
Damn.
That didn't work. Wow. Facing jail time, Ace of Pentacles reverse. Page of Cups reverse. Somebody was trying to kill somebody. What the fuck? That didn't work. And it backfired. What the fuck? Oh. Somebody's about to get a restraining order. Something about a restraining order. So this could definitely be a criminal you guys could be dealing with. Or your person's dealing with. Wow. Four of Cups facing jail time. Yeah, somebody got caught. Got caught up.